want to get your thoughts on your first time behind the Excelsior Digital Optic and your experience and just how you think about it.
Yeah, I have no experience in it, but it was very, very easy to shoot. Looking behind that lens, it was super clear, very comfortable. So yeah, it's a great shooting platform.
I'm excited to see the fact that there's an optic that can withstand the recoil force of this. Granted, the gun doesn't shoot as fast as some of the other ones.
Yeah.
Regardless, automatic capability for a thermal optic is a game changer. In my opinion, the entire thing.